What's up, agents? It's Chasen J Miles, and if you are not using a messenger bot in your business yet, you're about to miss out. This is one of those new things that is starting to kind of pop up everywhere, and the ones who really hop on early are typically the ones who make the most success with this. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what a messenger bot is, how you can use a messenger bot in your real estate business, and then I'm going to actually switch back to the computer here and show you how you can easily go and set up your own messenger bot. Now, by the end of this video, I'm actually going to reveal to you where I got my messenger bot from, and I'm going to show you that as well. So this is going to be a power-packed video, so be prepared, get ready to take some notes, because this is one of those things that you just really have to get going in your business. So the reason why I actually decided to record this video was because a few people were going to my website and going to my Facebook page and really kind of checking out my automation and systems that I had on there, and they were asking me, you know, what is this thing that is basically communicating with me? And so instead of just answering everybody individually, I decided just to record a video about it, and instead of just telling you what it is, I'm actually going to show you how to use it and how you can use it for yourself. So a messenger bot. Basically, a messenger bot is through Facebook Messenger, and it's something that can communicate with people automatically, so you don't have to be there to answer those messages. I'm sure you've had times where on your business page people have reached out to you, and you may have saw the message right when they reached out, or you may went to it a couple hours later. You may have lost that client. This messenger bot alleviates all of that. So it's something you can install on your Facebook business page, and it connects with the Facebook Messenger app to basically talk to people for you. A messenger bot is something that's used to promote real-time conversations, but it can also be a great conversion tool for you. So if you're having trouble converting leads over to clients or getting people to have a meeting with you, really having those real-time conversations can actually make a huge difference, because it's made a huge difference in my real estate business ever since I installed mine. So what tends to happen is someone will go to your Facebook business page, or they can go to your website, because there's a few different ways you can link this messenger bot up, but they can go to your Facebook page, and on the contact us button or the learn more button or whatever button you actually set up, it can open up the chat bot. And what it's going to do is it's going to start talking to the person for you. You tell it what questions you want to ask, and you give it the answers that you want the people to choose from, and it can have a real-time conversation based on the sequences that you set up. I know that sounded very complicated, but it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. But it's pretty simple, and it makes a huge difference. Plus, it gives you a more professional, technologically advanced look in your real estate business. They're going to know that if you have one of these installed on your business page, that you are the real deal, because you have invested time and money into your real estate business, and they can expect you to do the same for their listing, or if they're hiring you to be their buyer's agent. So it can do a lot of things for you. Now, specifically for real estate, here's how you can use this. You hear me talk a lot about leveraging time, leveraging people, leveraging resources. Well, a messenger bot is an example of that leverage. It gives you the leverage that you need in your real estate business. It's able to automate one process, so that way it frees you up time to actually do the other things that you need to do in your real estate business. So for those of you who say, I don't have time for this, or I missed this message, all these people are reaching out to me, this is going to be a solution for you. Everything is automated, and so you don't have to be there, and that's the biggest difference in it. So just imagine in your real estate business, you were running an ad for a home value. Yeah, let's just say home value, because a lot of people run home value ads, and on that home value ad, there was a button there to where they could click on that button, and it's going to open up the chat bot and say, hey, you want to get the value of your home? Give me a little information about your home. And they can select that it has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a pool, whatever options you want to give them. Then the messenger bot can actually ask them their address. It can get whatever information you want it to get. And the one that I use actually gives them a home valuation on the spot spot. So just think about what type of difference that can make when you are trying to drive in leads to your business. You know, especially on social media, when people want something, they want something right then and there, and basically you're going to be that one giving it to them. Back in the day when we would run these ads, we would have to get that information and call them and call them and call them, or email them and hope that they reach back out to us, get all their information, or we were sending them to a landing page with a form on it, asking them all these questions for them to fill out, and most times people wouldn't do it, or they would do it, but then when you reach out to them to do the CMA or get more information, they wouldn't answer, and it was just a failure. So by making this happen real time, you're keeping their attention because they saw that ad and they're getting the information that they want right then and there. So I actually have my messenger bot installed on my Facebook business page, and then I have it installed on my website, so they can click a button on my website and it'll automatically open up their Facebook Messenger and start communicating with them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop back here on the computer and I'm gonna show you how you can set up a messenger bot. It's super easy. Now the one that I have was not super easy, but I'll show you how you can set up an easy messenger bot just to get you started, and if you want the one that I actually have, I'll tell you where to go and get it. Alright, so we're on my website right now. This is the home page, and you see this box here that says get started. This is where the chatbot all starts. So we can click get started, and it's just going to verify their Facebook account right quick. Okay, view it in Messenger. So now it's opening the actual Messenger window, and it looks just like normal Facebook Messenger. It's going to go directly to my account, but you see the page that it's from my actual real estate group page. So it automatically fills in the name of whoever is coming and asking them what do they want to help them with. I'm gonna say sell a home, and then working with the realtor, nope. Okay, getting this for yourself or someone else, I'm gonna say for myself. All right, so it's telling me that they're gonna get the home valuation within seconds, so click the button below to get started. So click get home value. All right, now we're gonna enter the address, 804 Hummingbird Drive, and then the zip code 5093. It's like it's typing. Okay, what time frame would you like to sell? Let's say 1 to 2 months. That would be a very hot lead. Okay, is your email address the one listed below? Yep. Let's just click on it, and it automatically grabs it from their Facebook account. All right, and is this your phone number? No, but we can use that one. Okay, so is this the correct information? Yes. So now it's thinking and doing its thing, but what's gonna happen now is really awesome because it's going to find information about that home to provide a real-time valuation like I mentioned. All right. So now we just click done. And again, this is all automated. So it told me what the value of the home probably is. And then it's would you like to get a more accurate valuation? Of course, people are gonna say yes to that, and then they can schedule an appointment. This is super awesome because I have it linked directly to a calendar to where they can go in there and book an appointment right on the spot, okay? That's why this is so amazing, because it completely changes the game, and again, giving you that leverage and that automation in your business. So how did I do this? We do this through a website. It's called ManyChat, and I'm gonna show you because it may log into my account. So I'm gonna go to manychat.com, and you can actually start out with a free account there, so you don't have to pay for an account. But it's the platform that you can use to create the messenger bot, and this is a very complicated platform. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, but again, it can do those powerful things like that. So the website is manychat.com. Again, you can sign up for a free account, but I'm going to go into my account, and I'm just going to set up one right in front of you right now, just a quick little chat bot, and show you how easy it is to use. So while that's loading, I'm just gonna create one for one of my other Facebook pages as if I was going to use it for an apartment page or something. So I'm gonna go to flows here, and I'm going to create a new flow, and I'm going to say apartment search. This will be great for my rental boss people because they can automate their prospects that come to their Facebook business page looking for apartments. So here's what you do. You enter text here. So, hello, welcome, and here's how we can add in a name. So click on that, welcome first name, and I'm gonna select their first name and value. And this is just asking if for some reason Facebook can't get their first name, what do you want to go in there instead? So I'll just say welcome friend. Thanks for stopping by my apartments page. What brings you here? Okay, then you just add a button. So what brings me here? Looking for a place. And then, so the first button option, it's asking you what do you want the button to say first off, and then what do you want to happen after that. So you can have them go to a website, you can have them call a phone number. We're not gonna get into these, but you can have it send a message, and just to keep things simple, I'm gonna have it send a message. So it's gonna send a message, and I'm gonna click here to say what message do you wanna send. So they said they're looking for a place. Great, I can help you with that. Can I get a little information from you? And we can add another button and say sure. We have us another message. How soon are you looking to move? All right, now before we get too deep, I want to add in the other options right quick. So I'm gonna go back to that first message, and I'm gonna add the second button. So I'm gonna say just browsing, because you know a lot of people say just browsing, so we're gonna say just browsing, and I'm gonna have that one send a message. Okay, are you browsing for a new apartment for yourself or someone else? So this is one of those questions that is going to, you know, because people can easily say I'm just browsing, but this is what's going to lead them into actually answering you. Myself, and I'm gonna add this other button, someone else. Okay, now I'm gonna come back to those. So we have asked them why they're actually to the page, and we have both of these buttons going somewhere. Then when they click on looking for a place, great, I can help you with that. Can I get a little information from you? Sure. Or we can say how about later. And this is something that you can use to schedule an appointment. So we'll just add how about later. Okay, now on this other one, how soon are you looking to move? Let's go ahead and add those buttons in there. ASAP. Within 60 days, 6 months or so, and we'll just use those to be the ones. So now you can see we have our little flow here. So they're looking for a place, or they just browsing. Now if they're just browsing, let's go ahead and do that one. Who are you browsing for, yourself or someone else? Okay, then we can have that go to somewhere. Great, no problem. There are several places on special right now. Would you like for me to send you a list? Okay, and you can add in there more answers. Sure. And I'm actually not gonna add in a negative one. So I'm just gonna say sure, just for purposes of this example. But can y'all kind of see the flow that you can do with these chat box? And you can add in images, you can add in videos if you want to record videos to be played back to them. And what's cool is it just does an actual flow of your actual chat bot. And so you can see starts here and then it goes here based on whatever answer, then it goes here and then it goes here, and these can get quite extensive. So the one that I showed you is a very extensive chatbot. I mean, it's super let's just say there's a lot of things going on in there, and it took a lot of time to build. So that's how the chatbots work. And when you publish, it's going to give you a link, and I will show you mine. Okay, so you see here the greeting message. This was what I showed you. So you can see how it can really get into it there. But on your actual chatbot page, it gives you a link to go directly to your chatbot, and whenever you put that link anywhere, it's going to open up your chatbot message. So super awesome. This is a great resource. So I hope you can see the power of that chatbot and how you can use it in your real estate business. I promised you at the beginning of the video that I would tell you where you can go to get mine. So if you want to get the chatbot that I had that took months to create but was tested and actually converts, you can simply go to chasenjmiles.com/convertmoreleads. Okay, chasenjmiles.com/convertmoreleads, and of course I will put the link below. But let me just let you know, it's already built. Of course, you're gonna be able to make edits to it as you need, but it's already built from A to Z, so you can just plug and play. It's super easy. You just go to that site, fill out the form, go ahead, grab the chatbot, and then it's installed in your Facebook Messenger. I wanted to make sure I still gave you an option if you wanted to go and build your own, and you can build all kinds of chatbots with this, and a messenger bot is something that real estate agents need. You're gonna start seeing them pop up all over the place. So let me know if you want to grab the one that I used. That's the messenger bot. So good luck to you, and I hope it works wonders for your business.